Hello pool fans, great to see you here. My name is Vilius Schulte-Ebbert and I'm a professional pool and snooker coach. My goal, my mission as a coach is to help you out, improve your game, help you win more matches, games and hopefully tournaments, and the most important thing, help you enjoy the game and play with the confidence. So why I'm talking, why pool coaching is really important if you want to improve your game. First of all, I know for the fact that many people, doesn't matter how many years they play, they struggle with their own game. It seems like no matter what they do, they can't improve at all. They can play for 7-8 hours per day and still there is no progression. I'm here to help you out. I know exactly that with the right technical knowledge, mental knowledge, cue ball control knowledge, you can improve your game fast and efficient, 100%. And I have many case studies all around the world. So there's 3 things, in my opinion, which is really important if you want to be a good player. First, this is overall technique knowledge. It's all about how to improve your stance, grip, address position, aiming, rest play, cushion shot, bridging. If you can get that, I'm sure that other areas will be much easier already. Second thing, it's your cue ball control. So this is cue ball speed positioning, feeling. This is pattern play. This is cue ball control, break building around certain areas in certain games. And you absolutely must to have knowledge if you want to play consistent pool. And no matter how good is your technique, if you don't have an understanding about cue ball control, nothing will happen for you good. And third, the last one, really important part is your mental part, mental game. It is really important to be mentally strong. You have to know how to deal with negative emotions, how to overcome struggle, how to, let's say if somebody wins against you 4-0, you can win 5-4, to fight until the end. How to prepare yourself for competition, for the practice, for the match game, money game, but it all depends what kind of goal you have in your mind. This is what I'm ready to give you, and I'm sure that I can provide you lots of confidence and self-belief. So, if you can combine those 3 things, I believe that you can become an ultimate player. No matter, are you a woman, are you handicapped, are you just beginner player, or you're really advanced level if you want to get to the next stage, like to be a world champion, to win your local stage tournament, or to win some regional tournament, no matter what. So this is what I wanted to say. In the description below there will be a survey which I want you to fill up if you want to get my coaching, and there is also description below video testimonials and text testimonial about my other students from the snooker pool circuit which were coaching with me, so you can know about me more and understand how I coach people. And I will also share in the description below my YouTube links where you can watch my other videos from the snooker circuit. So I hope this is enough information to know about me yet. If you have any more questions, you can ask me in the description below. And if you want something more specific, something more personal, you can text me on the private message on Facebook. That is also my phone number if you want to text me on the phone. So that's it. It was a pretty long video, but I hope now it's clear for you, and see you soon, hopefully. By the way, it's Christmas time, and I hopefully that with all your families and friends you have a great time, and everybody is nice and safe during these COVID times. Enjoy yourself, take care, and see you soon.